In this video, I'm going to show you how pliers can be an essential tool for the kitchen. In this first example, I have a jar which has a plastic seal on the outside and also an inner seal under the lid. The pliers are useful both for removing the plastic seal on the outside of the jar as well as removing the inner seal under the lid.
Taking these things off is not that easy. So you can grab it with your pliers, the little tab, and just pull. And there it is. Another good use for the kitchen pliers.
Another use for kitchen pliers is to pull the nib out from the middle of a peach. You can also use kitchen pliers to pull the plastic seal off a bottle of vinegar or a bottle of wine. If you're grinding cinnamon stick with an electric blender or coffee bean grinder, you have to crack the sticks first so that they don't get stuck under the blade. Using the kitchen pliers is a great way to crack the cinnamon stick. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to CB99 videos. Don't forget the kitchen pliers.